Hi, thanks for joining me for Hushpuppy's Art and Coffee Break. I have my coffee. I hope you have yours. I have mine in the UNM coffee cup today. And that is, if you're familiar with New Mexico or not, it is one of our fine universities, University of New Mexico. And it is the university to which I am most connected. So I'm proud of it. It's a great university. I've already opened. I couldn't wait for you, but it just came in. My new, beautiful, oh, so beautiful, doTERRA Essential Oil Diffuser. It just came in. I was so excited. I was going to wait and open it in front of you, but I just couldn't. So I'm probably, next time you see me, I'll either have something like Citrus Bloom, Harvest Spice, Holiday Joy in there diffusing, boosting my immunity, and promoting my well-being through the aromas and the use of essential oils. These are little journals, and they are pocket or hand size. They have 2 moleskin journals in them, and they're removable and refillable. So I wanted to show you how you get from this piece of fabric to this type of cover if you're prone to want to do something like that. You wouldn't have to use it for journals, but it is amazing, and they turn out so beautiful and so different. They're all so different. And I'll talk more about how to actually finish them off. But today it is about how to get started with this process. So I will put these over here out of the way. Hopefully I don't splatter paint on them. I may move them again. I've already poured the gesso on here because this cotton, thick fabric has been washed, dried so that it shrinks to whatever it's going to shrink to, and then stretched out and stapled down on a piece of mason board, I believe is what most people call it, MBR or something like that. Initials are different in the Home Depot, but it's just a masonite board. And so normally, because I forget to clean off the top of my rim of my gesso can or jar, I can't get it open. And I don't have anything big enough to put around it to open it. So I just put it down on the cabinet and crack, crack, crack all the way around, and that breaks that little seal that's dried in there. Open it up, and then I pour it on. I like to have my brush dampen a little bit with water, and then I just start spreading it out. It looks kind of gooky right now, but it'll spread out nicely and be my second layer. I've already done one layer of gesso on this fabric. Once it dries, I most likely will put a third layer. It's kind of dependent upon what you want to do with the fabric when you finish painting it. I don't want it to have any paint seeping through the weave and the fabric, so I like 3 layers for this type of project. But like I say, it's up to you, your decision. But this will seal off this fabric. It will provide a good layer for your paint to be added, and I'm using acrylic paints for the project. So I'll keep doing this until I get it smoothed out. And thanks for joining me. And maybe next time we'll add some paint to this beautiful white piece of fabric. It's white like my new diffuser. I can't wait to turn my new diffuser on. But have a great day. Be inspired, be creative, and enjoy your day. Thanks.